Hi, once again we are here to present to you a very nice dish. I know everybody's favorite is chicken. Today we are going to show you how to fry a whole chicken. This is Cornish chicken, small. You could always find this in any supermarket in a frozen section. Now, the first thing we have to do is steam it. Since we have to fry it whole, we want it that the whole chicken inside will be cooked. We are going to put it in the foil, wrap it in the foil, make a little hole. The reason is because when we steam it, we don't want the chicken skin to be broken, so we have to wrap it in the foil. We are going to use a steamer or double boiler. This is the steamer that we normally use. You put the chicken in there and water, but if you don't have any steamer like that, we are going to modify. We're going to show you. And in a pot like this, put water and use the strainer and put the whole chicken. Don't forget you have to use a foil in order that the skin will not break. This will take in another maybe good 20 minutes or more. Once we have it done, we are going to fry it. Deep fry. To fry the chicken, it is so delicate, especially this one that we have steamed it already. It will be very noisy because of the water and very delicate. But don't worry, because at the end, this will be very, very crispy. You don't need to put salt or anything, because when you eat it, that is the time you could choose any sauce you want. Once in a while, make sure that it will not burn. So once in a while, turn it around. We have to wait until it's brown, so we have to check it once in a while. This is the outcome. This is the result. You see the skin is very, very crispy. And see, when we cut it, you see how nice and cooked inside, because we steam it. If we do not steam it, parts of it will not be cooked. Slice and another half slice, and you could feel that the skin is so crispy. You see, this is all cooked. You could taste the chicken now. How crispy is it? See? Look. And the half of it is also goodly cooked. It's so nice. It's so good. Very, very crispy. I'm sure everybody will like this. Once again, my name is Stephen, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.